Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best laundry baskets is probably one of the most essential household items we often overlook. Today, I'll be showcasing the top 5 best laundry baskets that will make your laundry routine a breeze. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best laundry baskets we choose for you. Number 5. Save storage space with a pop-up and collapse feature that's quick and easy to use. Convenient side pocket for isolating smaller items or handy labeling, making organization a breeze. High-quality mesh material allows for optimal airflow, reducing odors and increasing longevity. Wide-opening design for hassle-free loading and unloading, perfect for large towels and duvet covers. Versatile hamper for laundry, toys, sports equipment, or a cozy area for your furry friends. What we like? If you have limited storage space or need a laundry basket that can easily be folded and stored away, the collapsible mesh pop-up laundry hamper is the perfect choice for you. Its breathable mesh material allows for optimal airflow, reducing odors. It's not just for laundry, it can also be used for toy storage or as a comfortable sleeping area for your pets. What people say.
It holds about 10 or 11 full-size towels and quite a few garments. It's elastic and won't scratch your walls. It's got a few pockets, and it still folds nicely into a small disc. It's also easy to carry. The size is great for my laundry basket. Very sturdy. Easy to fold up. Wonderful taking the laundry out of the dryer and moving to the living room. The red color is beautiful. A cheap but really handy tall basket for laundry, 13-gallon recycling bags. Add your own clips to keep bag open or don't use a bag, stuff toys, linens, etc. It seems about twice as tall as it is wide, about as tall but a couple inches wider than a 13-gallon, tall kitchen garbage bag. Feels great for small spaces. Mesh is airy but not flimsy, at least not when first opened. Half-height side pocket is tight but handy. Colors we got, blue and white, are even and nice. Handles are attached better than I expected for something that costs so little. But mesh and frame rest right on floor, no feet to lift it up for airflow or keep bottom mesh clean. Don't drag it. Don't know yet how much the handles or frame lift. Probably not more than a loose single load. Don't stuff clothes, toys, recycling, or garbage, just keep it loose. Seams are fine, a bit loose, but that might be good because the wire frame is very springy, and tight seams might rip. Be careful, follow instructions for opening, because it is packed well and will spring out at you if you ignore the instructions.
Number 4. With a sturdy frame sewn into the edges, it stands upright on its own for a long time. Measuring 15.7x, 11.8x, 23.6 inches, it can easily hold 1.5 by 2 loads of laundry. Handles are durable and long enough for easy carrying, even up and down stairs. Made from thick polyester and cotton, with a waterproof interior coating for easy cleaning. Easily folds for space-saving storage, perfect for laundry room, bedroom, or travel. What we like. If you are looking for a laundry basket that stands firmly upright, even when empty, and can hold a large amount of laundry, the LifeWit 2-pack laundry hamper is the ideal choice. Its sturdy iron wire frame and reinforced handles ensure durability and easy carrying. With its large capacity, it can easily contain multiple loads of laundry or other items. What people say.
This is a collapsible laundry bag that's a waterproof plastic on the inside and more of a canvas feel on the outside. It also holds loads of clothes. I have a huge washing machine and this holds about a load and a half. Unlike many others, these laundry baskets stand up well without support. The material appears to be sealed on the inside so they will resist odors. They are very light, but seem quite strong.
Number 3. A sturdy metal frame, embedded in the top edges, keeps the laundry basket standing firmly upright. With a 75L large capacity, this clothes basket can hold clothes, pillows, baby toys, etc. Perfect for campus dorms or family life. 2 long handles are reinforced with durable tight stitching to prevent tearing. Handles are long enough to hold for easy carrying, even when full of laundry or other items. Made of premium cotton and flax material with a PIVA waterproof coating inside, keeping clothes dry and making cleaning easy. Simply wipe clean with a damp sponge or cloth. Easily folds up for compact storage, ideal for home, campus, camping, apartments, hotels, and shopping. What we like. For those who prefer a laundry basket with a freestanding structure that can hold a large amount of clothes, toys, or other items, the HomeHacks 2-pack large laundry basket is the perfect option. Its reinforced handles make carrying easy, and its premium cotton and flax material ensures durability. It's not just for laundry, it can also be used for storing pillows or baby toys. What people say.
These laundry baskets are not what I was expecting, but they work really well. The material they are made of is thinner and cheaper feeling than I was expecting, but they are surprisingly durable and stand up on their own, which is all I care about. They're also really easy to fold up to make for easy storage or transportation. I've had them for a couple months now and they've been doing well. I just need to figure out how to wash them. But they are very good. They can handle large loads. Very sturdy too. Kind of flimsy to stand up, but they can manage a month's worth of clothes, so yeah, very sturdy. The HomeHacks 2-pack large laundry basket has revolutionized the way I handle laundry. If you're tired of cluttered laundry spaces and looking for a convenient and effective solution, look no further. These waterproof, freestanding laundry hampers are a game changer.
Number 2, our collapsible storage container features patented design for space-saving and user-friendly usage. Made with BPA-free material, our container ensures safety for storing various items. The container is equipped with comfort grip handles for easy carrying and transportation. It is perfect for laundry and storage, keeping your toys, clothes, and other items organized. With expanded size of 22.8x, 17.5x, 10.6 inches, it collapses to just 2.7 inches in height for over 70% space saving. What we like: if you are in need of a laundry basket that is compact and can save you a significant amount of space, the Samart 42L collapsible plastic laundry basket is the best choice. Its foldable design allows for easy storage, and its comfort grip handles make carrying a breeze. It's not just for laundry, it can also be used as a storage container for toys or clothes in your car trunk. What people say:
Very durable and holds a lot of laundry when fully extended. Unfolds easily. Also, easy to collapse. Works as described. Collapsibility is super easy, and it's sturdy. Appreciate that it's great for storing away. The moment it arrived, I was so impressed that I didn't hesitate to get another one. Its flexibility to easily adjust in size, making it smaller or bigger, adds an extra layer of convenience.
Number 1, made of premium materials, these laundry baskets have a large capacity to store and organize your clothes, toys, pillows, books, and more. The handles are reinforced for extra strength, making it easy to carry with one or two hands, whether going up and down stairs or to the laundromat. The laundry baskets stand on their own when unfolded and can be easily folded to save space when not in use, perfect for dorms, campers, apartments, and more. The inner fabric is coated to keep clothes dry and prevent leaks, easy to clean with a damp sponge or cloth, but do not wash in a washing machine. Precision made, these laundry baskets will help you solve your daily house, working and storage problems, a must-have for any home. What we like: for those who need a laundry basket with a large capacity and reinforced handles for easy carrying, the VOSGO laundry basket is the perfect solution. Its freestanding and collapsible design makes it convenient for storage, and its waterproof inner fabric ensures no leaks. It's great for organizing clothes, toys, and other items in your family, dorm room, or laundry room. What people say:
Good quality grat size, and the garment wash bags sent with them were also high quality. Highly recommend. What a nice find this product is. First, you receive three baskets for a very nice price. They are durable. They are light. They hold a lot of clothes, especially nice for sheets, blankettes, and comforter. 3 is great because it allows you to separate the clothes. Great organizers. They seem to be very durable. They fold back nicely. And absolutely love the 3-size laundry bags. That was a surprise to me. The material is attractive. I am very satisfied with this product. Highly recommended.
You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.